So here we are, everything unpacked from the delivery. Front panel, back panel, circuit board or turret board, array of components. Nice to see belt and sockets. They're, I think, a step up from the usual ceramic supplied ones, as those can be tightened. Chrome fronted sockets for the inputs and 3 plastic fronted ones for the outputs. Usual array of components to go in. The cable, transformers, and the usual nice quality Modulus chassis. So everything's checked off and measured. One thing I should mention is that the chassis is designed to be mounted, top mounted, with the valves pointing down, or at least front mounted, for instance, with a panel at the top with the valves pointing backwards or forward, if you right. So one of the things that I was concerned about is there was nothing on the pick list about valve retainers for the EL84s, so I had to order those separately. I think that's a bit of an own goal for Modulus, as they designed the amplifier to be mounted upside down, the chassis as it were, not putting in the EL84 mounting tube retainers is, I think, a bit of a, let's say, an own goal really. During the parts check I have got some bits missing. As I suspected, the blanking plate for the large hole, which would have been for a rectifier valve in another build, is actually missing, but I'm also missing the 3 12AX7 tube shields and their mounts as well, and one capacitor is missing, so I'll be having a word with Modulus about that shortly and trying to get those sent to me as quickly as possible. I went with the cream knobs because I think they generally really make the fascia look quite nice. I'm not sure yet whether to build my own combo or to use a donor cabinet. I have an old Marshall combo which is suitable for again a top mounted amp with downward facing tubes, so I might have a go at converting that. But if I was going to build my own combo, then I saw some material which they call the material aubergine, but as I think you can see, it's a quite nice, quite similar colour to the fascias, so I think that might look quite nice as well. Although I still have some of the red left. I've got some cream Tolex as well, or cream vinyl, which also might look quite nice, offsetting the burgundy fascia. Yet to be decided. So that's it for part one. I'll carry on with the hardware build. If I've got some tube shields in my stash, then I can use those, and just when the Modulus ones come, just put those back into to replace my stock. So that's it for now for part one.